It is 2024, and the new year is filled with endless possibilities to achieve the desired growth and success. As a manufacturing enterprise, let this year be a year of smart manufacturing and workflow automation for you, so that you can easily achieve your enterprise goals. This 2024, eliminate manual operating methods and silo-based processes by automating manufacturing workflows and business processes. From the shop floor to the top floor, get real-time enterprise data at your fingertips at all times and make informed decisions. Let your machines and operators be in total sync with your enterprise planning and growth, with shop floor automation. Keep your inventory levels in check, and improve cash flows by efficiently managing stock levels, procurement and demand forecasting. Improve man, material and machine utilization for your enterprise, with efficient use of enterprise data. Experience an exponential increase in production yield and quality, with quality-controlled processes throughout the production phase. Reduce overhead and operational costs, by streamlining processes and eliminating manual operating methods. Experience an uptick in customer relationship and satisfaction with customer-focused processes, high-quality products and greater on-time delivery rates. Streamline your accounting and financials, to get a real-time view of cash inflow and outflow, and improve overall financial reporting efficiency and accuracy. All of this is possible with OmegaCube ERP. OmegaCube ERP's powerful capabilities and comprehensive functionalities enable manufacturing enterprises to realize their true potential and achieve the kind of exponential growth that they aim for. Embrace smart manufacturing this 2024. Contact us for an in-depth demo on OmegaCube ERP.